red ball again. We just did this video, but this one, and this one actually got red, so red with this. So you can use a black marker. And this one is the blue box. I don't know if he needs boys because I just took my dad. But I draw it anyways, but I knew that he doesn't. So, let's start the video. It's going down.
It is.
Practice. Have fun with that ball. See you later. Now, let's see how bouncy this ball can get. Great gears. Where'd it go? Oh, I hope it's not lost. Well, if anyone can find it, I know it's you, Pop.
There's lasers down.
It's my work. Hello?
Scary lasers.
Okay, so he came back down.
The boss is getting very mad, kids.
Did you hear the thing? Did you hear what Brett put there? It's a piece of us. So that's the end because Ripple got. So, and even, you know what? Mom only draws spikes as eyes, but they're going to make it more scarier with more of the white spikes. So, let's put this one back. These things were helping us with Ori. We need to get Ori away so that we can act. So, and Puppy Dog has the guy right now. And this is like, I don't know what this one's called, but we really like this show. And goodbye.
See you, kids. Happy Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching Briggs' toy review. Briggs is the #1 kid on YouTube ever. Everyone likes his videos, and you should like it too. Be sure you check the comments and tell Briggs what you'd like to see him make next on his special videos.
And even say subscribe.
Subscribe to Briggs' toy review, where you can learn about all the awesomest toys and all the craziest Red Ball worlds ever.
And kids, I'd like to show you something.
All right, kids.
This thing actually, my dad got me wrestler, so I will go and get.
And this is little sister Bren. Wave, Bren. Wave to all the kids. What? All right, good. All right, kids. We're taking this little break when Briggs is just getting his wrestlers to show him. Little sister Bren. The troll crusher. Huh? It's not too bright. Yeah. All right, we're waiting. Enjoy this brief intermission for a little bit of Puppy Dog Pals. I've never been in any of these videos, but I'm in this one. How about that? Hey, Briggs, well, all the kids are still waiting. Let's go. Oh, okay. We'll bring those, and then we'll tell the kids that the next video will have the other balloon. Oh, well, we're going to have to shut the video off if we're going to start getting sassy. What's the big deal? Okay. This is Briggs crying on Briggs' toy review. I'm sure, kids, he's going to stop really soon so he's not embarrassed. Oh. Okay. Well, kids, now this video is a little bit different. We're going to be looking for a balloon, too. It looks like... You took it? Where'd you put it? Where'd you put it? Where'd you put it? We'll find it, kids. It's no big deal. We're going to find it. Because we can't cry on Briggs' toy review because kids will think that Briggs is super lame. Huh? I don't think so. But we do have a mystery now. And I love a good mystery. We're going to find it. We're going to find it. Where could it be? Where could it be, kids? Little sister Bryn was making mischief of the worst kind. You what?
I think it's away.
Well, why don't you find it for us? Help. Where is that silly balloon? Briggs, make sure that you're still looking.
I am in the other room.
Okay.
About it too.
You gotta find it.
What Kaka-Owie?
What?
Kaka-Owie.
Kids, are you having fun? Trying to help us find the balloon? It is one mystery that we are really trying to help out. Who knew? Where could it be? You do? All right, we'll wait.
I want to be a surprise.
All right.
I want Bryn to come over because I want to be a surprise.
All right, Bryn, come over in this room. Come on. Well, kids, we're waiting for Briggs to show us the big surprise. Oh, boop, boop, boop. Ding-a-ding-a-ding.
I didn't want to get mine over what I actually used to restaurant or restaurant.
All right.
So, guess what it was hiding this time? It was hiding in my desk in my Ninja Turtle hat.
Seth Rollins was hiding in his Ninja Turtle hat.
And I got a couple of these guys.
Bray Wyatt, double trouble.
Yeah.
All right, so I guess we can tell them bye.
Bye.
No, it's bye, kids. Please watch all the rest of my videos.
Bye, kids.
Watch all his videos. It's called Crazy Briggs Does Videos. No, just kidding. It's called Briggs' Toy Review. Briggs' Toy Review. Say Briggs' Toy Review, Bryn. Briggs' Toy Review. See you, kids.